Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Concept. I'm your host James, and today we'll be talking about a few different types of crypto wallets that I recommend for part B of the Getting Started with Crypto series. Please be aware that although I am smart, I can be an idiot, and none of this information is financial advice, and please check everything I say. So the advantage of using a cryptocurrency wallet opposed to keeping your crypto on the exchange is that it is in your possession. As seen with the OKX exchange incident recently, there are some situations outside of your control where you may be unable to withdraw or sell your crypto from an exchange, and this could be costly. There's been a total of nearly $5 billion hacked from exchanges since the start of cryptocurrency. With that being said, there's been about $7 billion hacked from digital wallets, according to Slow Mist. However, the biggest risk with keeping your crypto in a wallet is that you mismanage your recovery phrase by either losing it or storing it in an insecure location that enables someone to steal it, usually online. About 20% of Bitcoin in circulation is estimated to be lost forever in wallets by users who either lost their recovery phrase or in some cases died and never passed on their recovery phrase. I'll cover password and recovery phrase management in a future video, but keep this point in mind. The last thing you want is to see your portfolio going up 100 times, only to realize your recovery phrase is lost and you have nothing. So remember to keep your recovery phrase safe for each individual wallet. So I'll leave it up to you to do your own research, which is the best option for you to keep your crypto on an exchange or in a wallet, but ultimately, I think spreading your eggs across multiple baskets is the safest bet. So the simplest digital wallet that I find is the Exodus wallet. The Exodus wallet allows you to store most different types of crypto and is very user-friendly. The phone app and the PC app are both equally functional and very straightforward to use, and you can sync your phone and PC wallets using the same seed phrase. The Exodus wallet shows a pie chart of your holdings, as well as the price fluctuations of your tokens. Also, the Exodus wallet allows you to receive Bitcoin by creating a new address every time, which is another layer of privacy. The Exodus wallet can also be used in conjunction with a Trezor hardware wallet for extra security. This means that you need to authorize your transactions with the Trezor hardware device. A great video on how to use your Exodus wallet with the Trezor hardware wallet is linked below. When it comes to hardware wallets though, personally I use the Ledger Nano S to store the majority of my long-term hodls. This is not only the safest way to store your crypto to protect it from theft, but it also protects it from yourself, for me at least. It protects it from my own impulsivity. It's a bit harder to sell my crypto when Bitcoin goes on a 10% pump, when I have to drive all the way to my ex-girlfriend's house, dig up her entire backyard, get the safe out of the ground, while her boyfriend is giving me the stink eye just to sell $500 worth of Bitcoin that cost me only $450. I also like the old school design and simple pixel screen of the device. It takes me back to a simpler time. The device also allows you to use an 8-digit password and also gives you a unique receive address for Bitcoin every time you wish to receive it, which provides another layer of untraceability. The Ledger Live PC wallet application is also very simple and user-friendly. This is what you use in conjunction with the hardware wallet itself. The next wallet on the list is the metamask wallet. So while the hardware wallet might not be good for storing a large amount of ERC20 tokens, metamask is great for storing all of your ERC20 tokens. You can connect your metamask wallet to a decentralized exchange like Uniswap and even swap tokens within metamask itself. There's a mobile app and a web browser version of the wallet, and I recommend familiarizing yourself with both. The web browser add-on seems a bit unfinished and doesn't seem to sync well with the mobile app version from my experience. For example, I can't see the .crypto domains that I've purchased on the web browser extension, and the account names don't change on my mobile device when I rename them on my browser extension wallet. However, the web extension allows you to do some very useful things. It has some very useful features. It allows you to connect to a hardware wallet for increased security. It also allows you to edit transaction fees when using decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, and hence make faster transactions. This is very important in bull runs because that extra 20 cents could save you literally hours of precious time and hence possibly hundreds or thousands of dollars of trade potential. I say this from experience because before using the metamask wallet, I was using an inferior wallet that took over a day to process a transaction when the Ethereum network was busy, and it would have saved me a few dollars in the transaction fee, but it cost me hundreds or maybe even $1,000 in lost trades. However, I want to point out the difference between editing the transaction fee before the transaction and speeding up the transaction once you've already made it. From my experience, I have lost the entirety of a few different transactions after clicking the speed up option, so I'd strongly advise against it. I'm not sure where the error lies, but like I said, I've lost a few $100s worth of tokens at least after clicking the speed up option and never receiving the tokens. So the MetaMask wallet allows you to store your ERC20 tokens by just adding the token and pasting the contract from CoinGecko. You can store your non-fungible tokens and .crypto domains in it also. You can also create multiple accounts within the same wallet with unique addresses. Just be sure to back up each individual private key for the account. MetaMask allows you to make transactions on marketplaces like OpenSea and Rarible. So if you want to spend a few $1,000s on a picture of a cartoon kitty instead of just taking a screenshot, now you know how to do that. Your parents would be so proud. The last wallet on the list is the Coinbase wallet. The Coinbase wallet is just a much worse version of the MetaMask wallet in my opinion. It has no browser add-on and no ability to speed up transactions, two fatal flaws in its design. And like I said, this cost me hundreds or even thousands of dollars in the last bull run before I knew how to use MetaMask. However, the Coinbase wallet allows you to do one thing really cool that I haven't been able to do on the other wallets I've mentioned. It allows you to send crypto to domain addresses. This is really simple and a really good innovation. For example, if you want to send me Bitcoin, Ethereum, you can just type in cryptoconcept.crypto and give me the millions of dollars worth of digital assets that I deserve for making this amazing video. I'm serious. Send me crypto right now. Try it out. At least buy me a beer. Come on. So I also purchased a non-fungible token using a Coinbase wallet, and unfortunately the image is static and doesn't animate like it did on the website I purchased it from. I would have been better off to just download the PNG image or take a screen recording. What a waste of $5. Anyway, I hope that I've informed you on what wallets to use. Get an Exodus wallet to store some Bitcoin, get a Ledger wallet to store most of your Bitcoin, and then use a MetaMask to store your ERC20 tokens and crypto domains. And just be sure to install the Coinbase wallet to send me crypto at cryptoconcepts.crypto, and you're all set. Also, consider keeping some crypto on the exchange in case you are the kind of person to misplace or lose your recovery phrase. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button on your way out.